Changing your Dropbox password is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Dropbox website and log in using your current credentials. Make sure you're on the official site to ensure your account security. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security tab. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Security tab. This section contains options related to your account security, including password management. Step 4. Change your password. Look for the option that says Change Password. Click on it, and you will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click the Change Password button to save your changes. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been updated successfully. Remember to log out of any devices where you may have saved your old password to ensure your account remains secure.